Dude. Otherwise.
Oh my God.
This is the chopping block.
Oh. That feels so good.
Hell yeah. You know what it's called? The pop?
What?
A cavitation.